This has been an absolute pleasure to make. It's just such a lovely uplifting track. Kind of a mixture of gospel and Chicago house. The intro on this is probably one of the nicest intros to what then becomes a dance tune. I'm going to give it like a bit of a jigsaw, so I'm going to show you the scale that it works on. And the basic rule is just follow this scale and make chords up. That's all I've done. All I do when I'm breaking these down is just experiment with different chords and see if they fit, see if they harmonise right. That note's a bit of an exception to the rule, but it still works. So that's the bass line, and it kind of all works around that all the way through the tune. Now that's kind of all the notes you need to learn the intro. Just put them together how you see me playing it. They've got a really nice resolve, those last two chords. I have no idea what they're called, but you can see what I'm doing. Bum note. It's good to make mistakes. There's nothing wrong with it. So them other than that bum note, they're the chords for the main sort of meat of the tune. So that's what the main riff of the main part of the song sounds like with the bass notes as well. And I just make it up. I just play around with them, different scales. It doesn't matter. Have fun with it. This is what it sounds like. I mean, most of the time I'm just making it up as I go along, but just practice around that scale. You'll have fun. Good luck.